If your team uses mcp-grafana, Red Hat MaaS API components, SAP Commerce Cloud, or PicketLink SAML, check today's patches now. The practical risk: an MCP tool can be tricked into sending Grafana-authenticated requests to attacker-chosen destinations. A Red Hat cluster service can trust forged identity headers. SAP Commerce Cloud has a CVSS 10 unauthenticated compromise risk, and PicketLink SAML may accept forged assertions. Inventory, patch, and restrict access today. First, CVE 2026-19516 in mcp-grafana. NVD and Grafana rate it critical, CVSS 9.1. The advisory says a caller-supplied X-Grafana URL header controls where mcp-grafana sends outbound requests, while the Grafana API request tool also lets the caller choose method, path, and body. In plain English, if an untrusted user or agent can invoke this MCP server, Grafana credentials and requests may be pointed somewhere they should never go. Update mcp-grafana, limit which users and agents can call it, keep Grafana tokens least privileged, and monitor unusual outbound destinations. Second, CVE 2026-14450 in Red Hat's MaaS API. NVD lists critical CVSS 9.9. The issue is a gateway authorization bypass when trusted identity headers such as username and group are forged from inside the cluster. This is a cloud control plane lesson: never let application pods become their own identity provider. Patch effective components, enforce header stripping at trusted boundaries, and audit pods that can reach management APIs. Third, CVE 2026-58231 in SAP Commerce Cloud. NVD lists CVSS 10. SAP says an unauthenticated attacker may abuse a default authentication client and insufficient validation, potentially causing full system compromise. For defenders, prioritize SAP Security Patch Day Note 377-1065, confirm external exposure, and watch for new admin behavior, application errors, or suspicious integration activity. Fourth, CVE 2026-10579 in Red Hat PicketLink Federation SAML. NVD rates it critical, CVSS 9.8. A forged assertion issue in unsolicited response handling may let an unauthenticated attacker authenticate as any principal in relying party applications. Review SAML configurations, disable unsafe unsolicited flows where possible, and apply vendor guidance. The pattern is identity and delegated trust. MCP servers, gateways, SAML providers, and commerce platforms all act on behalf of users. Keep that authority narrow, patch fast, isolate management interfaces, strip untrusted headers, constrain tokens, and log who or what is allowed to trigger privileged actions. Official NVD, Grafana, Red Hat, and SAP links are in the description.